Morning guys. So yan guys, so they have a delivery today. Very big truck, huh? Wow. So plenty materials will come. Yeah. This is our area here in Jabalus. Look at that. It's the good weather today. Very cold. Nice. If you are talking, it's like you are smoking. Looks like you're smoking. See, beautiful. The bags. Wow, so cold here. See, beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunshine. Sorry, sunshine, not sunset. Sunshine. I'm sorry that. See, look at that. The place, the mountain rounding here. Wow. So beautiful. See, nice. Ooh la la. Wow, beautiful. The mountain. Too much sparks here every night. Wow. The wild animals was here. Scorpion. Oh. Okay guys, bye.